This is Samsung Galaxy S21 review. In this account, we talk about technology, gadget, marketing, and whatever we want. So let's get started. Not the best of the best, but Samsung's S21 is fantastically put together. S21 is significantly less exciting Galaxy S phone than we're used to seeing, but make no mistake, the Galaxy S21 is still a fantastic handset choice, albeit with a few tweaked specs compared to the Galaxy S20, and that price drop is likely to attract a lot more people to the S series. The Samsung Galaxy S21 release date was Friday, January 29, 2021 for most of the world, including the US, UK and Australia. Its price is remarkably lower than that of the S20 at launch, with Samsung trimming a few specs, including reducing the maximum display resolution and dropping microSD support, in order to make this possible. The Galaxy S21 price starts at $799, £769, £1,249 Australian dollars for a version with 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. All of Samsung's S21 phones are 5G compatible in 2021, so you won't be able to buy a 4G only variant. Looking for a slightly higher spec Samsung Galaxy S21 handset? The Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus starts at $999, £949, £1,549 Australian dollars, with the Galaxy S21 Ultra taking the honor of the series' most expensive phone at $1,199, £1,149, £1,849 Australian dollars. Samsung has switched from a full glass rear on the Galaxy S20, a design that wasn't too exciting in the flesh, to a glasstic rear that comes with a matte finish and incorporates a new camera block design. You've got 4 color choices at launch: Phantom Gray, Phantom White, Phantom Pink, and Phantom Violet. The bottom edge features the SIM tray, a USB-C port and a speaker grille, while on the right side are the power button and volume rocker. However, the Bixby button found on other handsets from the company hasn't made a return here. Instead, you can launch Samsung's Assistant by long pressing the power button. All in all, the Samsung Galaxy S21 feels like a premium device. The downgrade to the display is perhaps the most controversial change Samsung has made for the Galaxy S21, with the company switching to a lower res Full HD Plus screen than the Quad HD display available on 2020's Galaxy S20. The Galaxy S21 display features a 120Hz maximum refresh rate, which is on by default and works in an adaptive capacity, so if you're playing a mobile game, for example, the screen will stick with 120Hz, while if you're reading an audiobook it'll reduce the refresh rate in order to save battery. Samsung has also made significant improvements to the Fingerprint Scanner on the S21 phones over previous handsets. The sensor itself is 70% larger, so it's easier to hit, and it's notably faster too. It isn't as quick as the physical fingerprint scanners you'll find on other phones, but this is one of the best in-screen scanners we've used. The Galaxy S21 camera, it's the same triple lens rear array then, 12MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide, and 64MP telephoto capable of a 3x hybrid optical zoom. Single take, Samsung's camera mode that enables you to capture a variety of photos and videos, using all 3 cameras, with a single press of the shutter button, is better than ever thanks to the addition of a new slow-mo option, and it remains one of the highlights of Samsung phones. The telephoto camera here is impressive too, offering 3x hybrid zoom and up to 30x digital zoom. The 10MP selfie camera on the front of the phone is less headline grabbing, but it proved capable enough during our testing. Another new feature for the Galaxy S21 is a director's view mode, which enables you to shoot with the front and rear cameras at the same time. For video, you've got the option of 8K at 24 frames per second, which offers maximum quality and detail, but which we found to be a touch too cropped for our liking. The Galaxy S21 phones were the first devices to use either Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888 US or Samsung's own Exynos 2100, just about everywhere else. In the S21 both chips are paired with 8GB of RAM. If you want more than that on a new Samsung device, you'll want to opt for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which comes with either 12GB or 16GB. Along with that 8GB of RAM, you've got the choice of either 128GB or 256GB of storage. The big news here is that Samsung has dropped microSD support from the S21, so you can't expand on the built-in storage. Battery life on the Samsung Galaxy S21 is solid, although it's not a game-changing improvement over the S20. Recharging the S21 is easy, using the company's 25 watts fast charging tech via the phone's USB-C port. It's also compatible with Qi wireless charging, and we found that worked well during our testing.